I wanted to make a quick video just showing some simple edits that I'd like to make to this image. First of all, this isn't my image, this is Robin Whetstone's image. She was nice enough to let me play with it a bit. I love this image. I think it's fantastic. I really like how she's got the focus nicely on the time portion of the book. Really like the bokeh lights in the background. I just think it's a great image overall. The only little thought that I had is that the main focus of the image is the text, and it's just a little bit dark to my eye, maybe just a little bit hard to read. So I wanted to show some very simple edits that might help lighten that just a bit. So the first thing I'm going to do is just add a new layer, just so we can compare the before and after. And I really like doing a lot of my editing in the Camera Raw utility, but obviously there's a million ways to do it. Now, first of all, the background, I think, is the perfect brightness. It's, the bokeh lights are bright enough but not oversaturated. So really, I don't want to touch the brightness of this at all. We really just want to lighten the text a little bit. So I'm going to start out with a gradient filter that should just allow us to lighten the book just a little bit. And so we're going to start maybe just to lighten it a half a stop. And I want to kind of maybe just kind of start towards the top and then end before we get into the radial portion, to the background portion. And you can see right away that it made a nice lightening of the passage. Similarly, since this is kind of where the focus is, I'm going to use a radial filter and kind of do the same thing. Just going to lighten it half a stop, but I'm going to center it kind of around here. And we'll just kind of play with the position a little bit, just to lighten that portion of the text just a little bit. And I might even increase the contrast just a tad, just to make the text stand out a bit. All right, and let's kind of compare so far. So right away, this was our original, and this was after we add our couple of filters. Again, very minor, simple ones. And I think it makes a really nice change. We can kind of see this text very nicely. I'm going to try just increasing the white point just a little bit, really even just to make the background text show up, even just the background of the book just a little bit wider. And then finally, I think I might just add just a tad of vignetting to the overall image, really just to draw your eye even more to the center. Yeah, so that's without the vignetting, that's with the vignetting. Again, very small amount. And really that's all that we did. So if we compare the original, again, a fantastic image, but just a tad dark at the focal point. And now we turn on our edits. We can see that I think this is just a fantastic image, and your eye is really drawn to this nice bright spot right here. So thank you very much, and I hope this was helpful.